I'm Craig. This is my YouTube channel, Fish On.
Hello, welcome to Fish On.
Welcome back to Fish On, folks. I just want to do a quick video for you. I got something written out I want to read to you. Give you a heads up anyways. Let me just go ahead and just read it. Hey guys, I want to make this video to explain what's going on. Well, we already established that. And the place I'm living in is going up for sale, and I'm going to have to leave it soon. I don't really have a backup plan, so I'm going to build one. I have plans that I'm going to show you on a piece of paper, kind of just the dimensions and stuff like that. I got a truck, so my plan is to build a camper top setup. So in the back, I have somewhere to live. So that is my backup plan. It's a 6'6" bottom bed, and this is 2 feet there. I'm going to go 2 feet more there, and I'm going to go 3 feet there. I'm going to keep the aerodynamics with my windshield and come up like that, and then I'm going to come up and across, and then that's going to go down, down, and then across the back. So I'll have 4 feet here, 1.5 to 2 feet there. It'll give me 6 feet of headroom. I'm not going to be standing in it half the time. Anyways, I'm 5'5", and I think that'll be all right for me. But anyways, at the end of the day, so this will be my sleeping area. Be tall enough to sleep on top of there and use that for like my kitchen area to cook from, and have like a little sitting area and whatnot. But that's kind of the plan that I have. And I got my measurements. I'll have to show you my plans. I have written down on paper how I'm going to do everything. But yeah, I'll post this on YouTube and show you my plans. I'll show you the pictures and stuff like that. So yeah. However, how this is all going to come together, it's going to be a simple setup at first. Just enough place to sleep, store my food, and get by. Then I'll improve it over time as I can, like getting heat and electricity and that kind of thing. So going to be like in survival mode, and it might not be the prettiest thing. I don't know, but when I get done with it, it'll look decent and I'll be able to live in it. At the same time, I want to travel and do some fly fishing with my fly fishing channel, visit shops around, and you know, some parks, national parks, and that kind of thing, and document everything on my channel here. And all of you guys know I love my fishing. By the time I get done selling all my stuff in my storage unit. Okay folks, just a quick video here. I'm going to do a rundown of some stuff in here. I'm actually going to have a lot of stuff for sale. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. Table saw, chop saw, a bunch of small tools. Definitely a bunch of tools there. And yeah, I'm a rigid fan. I get a bunch of stuff. Leaf blowers, leaf blower. I got some music equipment I'm going to be selling. And I got a couple of guitar amps. They're kind of covered in the back. I know it's dark. None of the guitars are being sold. I got a 46 channel Mackie mixing board. That's going to be for sale. I've got like a drum pad thing. I got a bunch of stuff I'm getting rid of. I got a TV here, 52-inch smart Samsung TV. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'm going to get rid of some stuff over the summer. My snow blower with ramps and stuff. Just a quick video here to start my build. I'm going to sell the money that I'm going to make with that. We're going to put towards the build. So anybody interested in some of this stuff, let me know. All that money is going to go towards the funding towards this build. I'm going to have pretty much nothing to start with, and that's exactly how I'm going to start everything, with nothing. I'm going to start this off just as it is. If anybody wants to help out, I've started a GoFundMe page. I'm also looking for materials, things like the steel studs, the 2-inch pink insulation, any other building supplies, AK. So the outside of this camper top is going to be poor man's fiberglass. So it's going to be canvas and carpenter's glue and that kind of thing. And then I'll rubberize the outside of it with rubber rubberized paint. Matches the color of my truck. So everything helps. Everything helps. So sharing this video, liking it, subscribing to it, everything helps. At the most, share it. I appreciate that. I have a bunch of yous that just keep asking me a bunch of stuff all the time. We're putting things on pause, and this is how things are going to go. So I'm thinking, and I'm going to push before the end of May to be out on the road. So it is now the end of March, so I have April and May. If I can get out sooner, I will be. But right now, that is the plan. I want to say thanks for watching. Like I said, I wrote all this, and I've already taken 4 minutes of your time, and especially on this piece. Again, I'm raising money, and anything I sell here is going to go towards my build. And check out my GoFundMe page, and I just have Facebook. I don't TikTok and Instagram, all that other stuff. So I'm on Facebook. So Facebook me, GoFundMe, and stay tuned. I appreciate y'all. Fish on. Welcome back to Fish On. I'm just going to do a little clip here. And for that one person watching this one video that this one person made for you, please hit the like and subscribe button and get that notification bell ringing. And do me a favor, leave a comment and fish on.